Hi guys, this is Shelly. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you the Steve Madden tailored flat sandal. Steve Madden, I'll show you how the sandal looks. So this is the packaging. This packaging is really nice, and this is the sandal. Like Steve Madden sandals are really great sandals. I really like their sandals. So though these portions I don't like, this looks like very unfinished, not a very good state, but they have like other colors, but I choose the mustard yellow because I like this color. I don't have this color sandal, so that's why I choose this one. This is, it's in the size 6. It's in the size 6. They have like other colors which was like really great. It can goes with like any kind of dresses, sandal, and it's like a very comfortable sandal because the Steve Madden sandals are really very comfortable, and this is also like really comfortable sandal and pretty too. So yeah, definitely like a really nice sandal. So you can, in the inside portion is like a leather, and outside is like a suede material, which is like very soft, feels like very soft and comfortable, which I really like. And our back portion is like a plastic kind of material, and a little bit slippery proof. And front is like a type of like loafer design, but like a tailored flat, which looks like with a pointed toe, which I really like.